You see this justice for Mobad, the way they are trying so hard in order for the main truth not to come out. It is becoming obvious. I don't know why now only me they see him. You understand? I don't know why. Because you cannot tell me that. Okay, first of all, let me ask a question. The police talk say na nurse chook the boy, right? But why the wife go post say they have taken him away from me? All the posts where the wife posts that they indicate say no be nurse to him. He indicates saying that somebody knocked that boy. Do you understand? So now police come and tell us say, nah, nurse, na chukam. Do you understand? The thing don't make sense. I don't know why. And secondly, why the wife no report the case to the police? Instead, she rush go meet blog. Go the tell blog. She go report on to the blog. Now, let me now bust here. Now, let me open you people's eyes real quick. Let's start with this first video.
Help me if I die. Whoa. Amalia kill me. I beg if I die like this.
Oh, guys, stop this now. What's wrong with you?
I beg, I never started talking. No worry.
Alright, this is the popular video where Mobad said, if anything happens to him, they should own a Ramali, right? But let me bust your head. That's not the complete video. Let me play the complete video. See the other side of the video.
I will just hospital, yeah. I'm going to the hospital. You will die.
Now, in this side of the video, he made mention of his wife. The wife's name is Cynthia. Her second name is Wumi. He said, he said, Cynthia is there. Cynthia is there in Yoruba. That's what he was saying. Cynthia is there. And then when the girl talked, he said, you said you go buy. He was telling his wife, he said, you said you go buy. That's number one. Number two, let's play this recording between Mobad and his wife.
We share the same iCloud with me and you, Abi. But only WhatsApp, me share law. Where is my line? Where is everything? You want to post after Abi? To put on Abi, to my post conversation, but to post Abi. Oh, mon coco. You see, no pay la right from what no pay from go. Only is moving pay. My worry me. Oh, mon coco, you want to go family? One night I like to buy a bed and shit. Tell as in jello. A little might be champagne. One night I like sweat to my living God. One night I will never be champagne. I want to go. Bí kò máa ṣe aṣọ tí mo ní pé mi ò wọ̀ ìyá ẹ̀ ó lọ gbé sí mi lórí ó fẹ́ pa mí ìṣọ́ ayé ẹ̀ fẹ́ bàjẹ́ ni ogun fẹ́ pa ẹ́ ni ó fẹ́ ṣe orí burúkú ni má wọrí náà má wọrí ó fẹ́ ṣàpá mi àbí ìwọ tí bá kú lé ní gbogbo ayé pátápátá ìwọ ṣàlùpá mi sí wàhálà.
Just summarize what he said in Yoruba, in English for you. He said, we share an iCloud account. Where's my WhatsApp? You understand? He said, oh, the conversation is what you post when I don't buy Abi. You understand? That is what you want to post. He said, you don't know anything. You and your family. You don't know anything. If you and your family have been doing this to people before, now my head, this thing will stop. You understand? Then he went on saying that if he buy, say the girl go buy his own family too. You understand? And he said, the cloth, when I tell you, say I know one, and that cloth now you still put for my head. A lot of things Mobad said in that thing. Get your Yoruba friends to interpret that thing for you. Finish. You understand? You go suffer. I told you not to put a cloth on my head. You went to go and put it on my head. What cloth is he talking about? Do you understand? And now, successfully, this thing was not carried by all the people who say that they find justice for Mobad. They not carry him. They deliberately left it out. Do you understand? Now, let's play what Prime Boy said.
I want justice for Mobad, and I wonder his wife. Why will his wife go online and start framing me? That's wrong.
Privilege to have an
So see Prime Boy here. Prime Boy is saying that he does not know why the wife wants to set him up. Why Mobad wife wants to set him up. Again, if you go back to the interview, Prime Boy said there was a fight between Mobad and his wife. And Mobad carried their 5 months pikin inside car. You understand? This same person when we say that they talk about say she dey mourn, carry 5 months pikin, take go show. You understand? This same person again, you hold 5 months pikin for hand, you go the type for Instagram the day where your boyfriend buy. It is obvious that something is going down. Let's leave this one now. Let's put this guy yesterday that said, now read it. So basically, this guy is saying, according to him, he's saying that Prime Boy don't nosh Mobad wife. You understand? And then Prime Boy the jealous Mobad, which makes sense. He say Prime Boy the jealous Mobad and Mobad wife no. You understand? So add this one up. You understand? And then if you notice, they are trying so hard to not give Mobad father a voice. Now this man picking pie. They don't give the man voice at all for this whole matter. You understand? They don't give her a voice. They don't criticize the man. They don't criticize Mobad mama, but they protect the girl. Why? This is the first time in history. This is the first time in history where we say, person, husband, buy, they don't ask the wife, make she talk with it, they saw. You understand? Now, let's go back to the car scene. The car, when they inside car, they say Mobad wife follow them, they inside that car. That they went Mobad, buy. Now, inside that car again, the wife no even shout, we no hear her voice. You understand? Woman, let me say, husband, but suppose they cry. Gosh, suppose they cry. She did inside that car as if she know the inside. You understand? She did inside the car as if she know the inside. She's firm. She shut up. You understand? Anything you talk about the wife, boom. Suddenly, Prime Boy just talk about the wife. Next thing, police talk say, nah, the fight, when fight to the boy, nah, ain't by the boy. You understand? I talked to him before. Say that powerful people they involved in this case. Some people will take the fall. They don't say na nurse. They don't say na Prime Boy. So why be say they don't investigate wetin Prime Boy talk about her? The wife name, they don't mention her now for many places. You understand? This recording, the blogs no carry and police no talk about them at all. That first video where Mobad say if anything happened to them, made their own Ramali, the wife did there. You understand? The wife get a lot of things to answer. A lot of things to answer. But of course, it is obvious that they are acting on the script. Don't tell me that. Maybe today I don't watch investigation when I don't study investigation. It is obvious that something is fishy that is going on, but they don't want to tell the public. Now, to cut the long story short, from what I've calculated so far, somebody somewhere that is big wants Naira Marley and Sam Larry to go down. I don't care about that. That's their business. You understand? But this is how I want you to know. You people say you want them to be arrested for bullying, right? They don't arrest them for bullying. They don't arrest him and Sam Larry. You understand? They still work on their case that they investigate. These same people again, they don't start to publish another news again. They don't start to try that thing. You obviously want me to buy that boys. But when I do them it's not like. But me, as a man who stand for the truth, I will stop the one where we see my eyes see. And from my own observation, it is beyond justice for Mobad. It is beyond justice for Mobad. There's something that they're not telling anybody. You understand? They should carry it out by themselves. You understand? They should carry it out. And to the people where they come insult me, also not see me and Mobad not relate. Now the truth, now me said it fine. Me I not relate at all. So before you come follow me, this. Anyways, they say if you cannot be there, join them. You understand? No worry. At the end of the day, all of them go join me. Me I know the follow crowd. I don't feel talking before. Don't play. But you see this case, now let's sabi. At the end of the day, they know what they do, all of them. But you see all those celebrities where they that forefront are J, they know what they do. They blow la lie, they deceive you now. You understand? Oh my God, the girl is money. Don't play, you all will learn. Sentiment.